tripod assistant. Best assistant in the world. Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. Check it out. Hope you like the beginning of the video. This is a 2015 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali 6.2 liter 4x4 lowered truck with a side exit exhaust, new style Denali wheels, and tinted windows. And you ready for this one? A stance that can kill. Super nice truck. I'm in love with this truck. It's just, it's perfect, well, not perfectly level, but it's quite level. As you can see, it's lowered. It's got if you read the description, click the full link in the description down where it says Denali 1500. Click that and it'll be a drop down menu of everything that's done to this truck, all the specifics. I'm going to cut the video short so I don't bore you, and we can go over some details on this truck. Iconic Denali, signature Denali grille and headlights, front bumper, obviously it's a Denali. The wheels just give it an awesome accent. We'll go open it up and see what's going on inside. Underside is super clean. As you can see, super duper clean right there. Everything's tip-top shape. It's got the turn signals incorporated into the mirrors. Denali threshold right there, or whatever you call a kicker panel. Seats are in great shape. Denali embroidered into the headrest as always. Denali in the steering wheel. You got the best part I love about these trucks is it's got a backlighting. You don't really see it. You kind of see it. The backlighting is like this blood vibrant red, and it's accented throughout the whole truck. As soon as you start, you can really see it now because it's later on in the day. And I love it. It really looks good. Nice factory LED lighting all the way throughout. Tilt sunroof, sliding sunroof, lights on and off, sunglass holder. They need to redesign these damn things. Miles, and it sounds awesome too. Denali, backup camera, everything. Let's see here. It has service tire monitor system. Yep, valve stems are out. All right, and a lot of times too, you'll notice it'll say service suspension system. Whenever you lower these trucks or raise them up in the air really high, oh, I can't get it off. There we go. 92,572 miles. You'll notice that whenever you lower them or raise them, you'll notice a lot of those lights going off. It's altering the suspension system. A lot of times it's wheel speed sensor, or it's different things in the suspension system that you can change or replace to elongate wires or whatnot, or change them. So backup camera. Where's it at? Come on, backup camera, where you at? You're not working today? You off? What's the matter? You're off today? Slacker? Oh, you probably gotta start it up. Oh, hold on. I'm not with it today. There we go. Backup camera works awesome. All the good stuff down here. Downhill descent, parking, what do you call those damn things? Parking meter things that measures your distance between items, and if you don't want it to beep. Huge lights in the back, traction control, pedal adjustment, heated seats, cooled seats. Got all my detail supplies in there, my water balls, the key, locking lug nuts for the key right there. Wood grain throughout, absolutely gorgeous. Wood grain. BOSE sound system, and let's check out the engine. Ready? Pop this hood. Memory seats. Oh, back seat too. Let's check that out. Back seats, good amount of space, and I love them. They drive really good. They really do. And the guy put, I don't know, well, that's one thing too. The guy put General Motors like stickers on the actual brake calipers. Ask me why, I don't know. General Motors, I don't know. I don't know why you would do that, but we know it's a General Motors vehicle. So anyways, boom, 6.2 liter. Fluids are absolutely beautiful. That's all there is to it. So hope you guys like this. I really do. That's it. So peace out. See you later. Hope you enjoy the video.